Ziprasidone, Geodon, is an antipsychotic medication. Its claim to fame is that it's more weight neutral in comparison to other antipsychotics. What's interesting is that there's some newer medications out now that say the same thing, but those medications are harder to get covered. So if you need a medication that's an antipsychotic, it could be a mood stabilizer, it could potentially help with depression, and you want it to get covered by insurance easily, I think ziprasidone has to be in the running here. It works by blocking dopamine receptors, but also works on 5-HT serotonin receptors. It has to be taken with food, which is something that people need to understand, because if you take it without food, essentially you don't absorb roughly half the medication, so it's like you're not going to get its complete impact. One of the negatives that's been tagged with this medication and other psychiatric medications is a cardiac arrhythmia called prolonged QTC syndrome, which is rare but can be dangerous, so this has to be monitored. On a personal note, I would argue that Geodon should be replaced or should replace Haldol in every emergency room in America, but that's just my controversial opinion.